and welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyanka and I am an interior designer. And here on this channel, we talk all things related to home. DIY home decor ideas, home makeovers, home organization and interiors. So those who are interested in such topics, they can subscribe to my channel, and those who have already subscribed, thank you very much. So in today's video, I'm going to share 3 more DIY home decor ideas, and these ideas are just going to make your home look even more better. So without any further ado, let's get into the video now.
Now let's check out how we can make this beautiful painting on a frame. For this, you can take any frame which is lying at your home. First step is to separate the glass, frame and cardboard like this. Now take any printout of your choice and put it under the transparent sheet or a glass of the frame. Now take acrylic marker or white permanent marker and trace the pattern on the transparent sheet. If you're good at painting, you can simply draw the pattern on your own. Once you're done, take the burlap cloth and put it on the cardboard. Cut the cloth according to the size and voila, we are almost done. Now's the time to assemble the frame. First put the transparent sheet, then burlap cloth and at last the cardboard. Fix it and put it on your wall. And your beautiful painting is all set to make your wall look even more beautiful. See how we can make this beautiful geometric pattern wall frame. Here I'm using this old canvas board which I had previously used to make these DIYs, and now I thought I'll completely remove the canvas from it and I'm just going to use the wooden frame. So this is how it's going to look once you remove the canvas. We'll need the bamboo sticks, and for these you can find the link below in the description box, and at last the silicone glue. I'm using these sticks and I'm going to make the pattern on the frame. Just simply cut in the size so that it can nicely fit in the frame. Cut both the ends of the stick at an angle so that it will stick nicely with the glue. And in the same way, I have used many sticks and made this pattern on the frame. And instead of these bamboo sticks, you can also use the straw or the broomsticks. One more thing, in the coming videos I'm going to use the same frame and will let you know one more way to make it look more beautiful. I mean another DIY which will be the extension of this one. So stay tuned for another video. And at last I'm going to use this spray paint which is in a gloss finish in black color. Just going to spray it all over the frame, and this is how it's gonna look. Our one more wall frame is ready. Just hang it on the wall and believe me, it's going to look very, very beautiful on that wall. Let's see how we can make this last beautiful DIY, and for the same I'm using the canvas board's wooden frame like the earlier DIY. I've painted the wooden boundary with black acrylic color. Next you will need a metal bangle or a metal round frame smaller in size like a bangle and macrame thread. So now what you can do, either you can keep the bangle in the middle or at the corner of the frame like the way I'm doing right now, and it is completely up to you. According to your preference, either you're keeping the bangle in the middle of the frame or at the corner. You have to cut the macrame thread according to the size in order to avoid the wastage. Make a loop and pass it through the bangle like the way I'm doing right here. You have to cover the whole bangle with the thread. Once when you cover the whole bangle, this is how it's going to look. Now take the furniture stapler. You will find the link for this one in the description box below. Like I said, you can either keep the bangle in the middle or at the corner according to your preference. I kept it in the middle, and now put the wooden frame upside down. Take one strand at a time, stretch it properly and use the stapler to fix it at the back of the wooden frame. First you have to fix the 4 middle strands on each side of the wooden frame, and then spread the rest of the strings and staple them at the back. And once when you're done, cut the extra thread from the back of the frame with the help of a scissor. And again, your beautiful wall decor is ready. Put it on the wall, and I don't want to say anything about this DIY. It's just going to look very, very beautiful on the wall.
Today's video, and I really hope you guys like these 3 DIY home decor ideas. And if you are going to try any one of them, don't forget to share your pictures with me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is here. And thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Till then, stay home, take care, and bye bye.